Stop scrolling. This is not motivation. This is a warning. You're tired because you're exposed. Everyone has access to you, your time, your energy, your mind. You wake up already reacting. Messages, noise, opinions. That's why nothing changes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't transform in public. You change in silence. This is where most people fail. They announce their plans, they chase likes, they look busy instead of getting better. They stay visible so they feel important, but visibility kills growth. Think about a seed. It doesn't grow on the surface. It grows buried, in the dark, under pressure. That's your lesson. So here's how you disappear. Step 1. Go quiet. Stop posting your goals. Stop explaining yourself. Stop replying fast. Let the world wait. Step 2. Cut the leaks. Late nights, random scrolling, pointless talks. If it drains you, it goes. No debate. Step 3. Build a private routine. Wake up early, move your body, train hard, read daily. Learn one skill that scares you. No music, no hype, just work. Step 4. Track, don't talk. Write everything down. What you did, what you avoided, where you failed. Adjust, repeat. Step 5. Delay pleasure. No quick hits, no easy comfort. Earn your rest. Discipline first, freedom later. Now, imagine this. 3 months pass. You walk differently. You speak less. Your eyes are calm. Your body is stronger. Your focus is sharp. People feel it. They don't know why. They just know you changed. They ask questions. You don't explain. You don't brag. Because the work was done when no one was watching. This is not hiding. This is sharpening. So start now. Log off tonight. Wake up earlier tomorrow. Remove one distraction. Do one hard thing. Disappear. And come back unrecognizable.